Hey everybody, it's Irish Rebel here, and guess what? We are making the world's easiest lasagna. Oh yeah. Now, the best part is I don't have to do very much of this, because this is the oven-ready lasagna. So, see, it says oven-ready. So I don't even have to boil these. All I have to do is just line them up and do what I'm gonna do with them. So, I usually do this, this, just like so, and then I'll run, well, I usually break one, so I can run the edge here, so I'll go right here, there we go, and then I'll put that down right like that. So, there we go, that's the first layer. So next I do, I take a little bit of ricotta. Don't get me wrong, I'm just going to preheat my oven to 400, you don't need to see that. Alright, so see, I got my ricotta. So I'm just gonna rip some of this. So Skella Bunny is operating the camera here, so I'm just gonna scoop a bunch of this stuff out. I'm gonna toss it on top.
Okay, now the way you scooped it looked like ice cream.
Well, of course it does. Alright, so I'm just gonna do this. Scoop a little bit. I don't put a lot. Oh, thank you, Skella. I don't put a lot on here, to be honest with you. It's nice to have because it gives it a really good texture. So here we go. Just gonna put that there. Get a little bit over here. Again, I'm not making this amazingly. I'm just making it because we're hungry. And that's what Skella would tell you. So we're gonna use a little bit of sauce. I'm using the mushroom pasta sauce. All right, look back on there. So I'm just gonna put a little bit down on it. There we go. That seems like a lot. That's okay. I'm gonna take another spoon. Spoony.
Looking at her, I feel like she might be the perfect spooning size for me.
And then I'm just gonna line it up here, just like so. I think I might need a little bit more. There we go. And we're not making anything too special. We're just having a regular cheese lasagna.
I asked my dad to put beef in it, but no.
Yeah, Skella wanted beef in it, but I didn't feel like making that. It's not that I'm lazy, I'm just lazy.
That's literally the opposite of what you wanted to say.
I know, I'm just kidding. Anyways, now we're gonna put the mozzarella. See, look at that. Oh yeah. All right, give me a second. I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of mozzarella on this. Like I said, cheesy is what I'm going for.
If there's any unclaimed meat or cheese, I would like to claim it.
Alright, so I'm going to take a big handful here, and I'm just going to sprinkle it down on top, just like so. There we go. A little bit more. And there we go. There, that looks good. Alright, next, I'm going to line it up again. Alright, so I'm just going to take these guys, and I'm going to put another layer down. So this time on this side. Like so. And I think I can get away with using this. No. Well, I'm gonna toss it in there because I want it anyways. So we're gonna break this right there. Toss this guy right on top. Again, very, very lazy lasagna. Then we're gonna take the ricotta. This time I'm gonna put a little bit more. There we go.
You're putting the whole thing.
And remember, guys, you should always save these because they're really good to use for like fishing. Hint, hint. Alright, so I'm just gonna smear this all over the place. There we go. Now, the best part about the oven-ready lasagna stuff is it's oven-ready. So no fussing with water, no boiling, nothing. Just, you could I'm sure if you really wanted to, but it's not necessary. So, do that. Throw down my liquid goodness.
Girl, take it easy.
There we go. Smear it all. There we go. Again, like I said, it's a cheese lasagna. Nothing too special about it. And Skella will reiterate that she really wanted meat in it, but I didn't feel like cooking meat. Now we take the cheese again.
You did until you just decide not to?
I'm allowed to. There we go. I'm just gonna sprinkle some more cheese on here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I'm hoping Skella Bunny and Garbage Lady have figured out how to splice videos together. Because I'm going to show you the before, so all this as it goes into the oven. And then I'm going to show you the after it's cooked. Or I might just make the after the thumbnail, I guess. Okay, so there we go. That's our second layer. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some more oven-ready lasagna, and now I'm gonna start doing it this side, just like so, just like so. Ooh, I could fit 4 now, which is nice. I like the fact that I can fit 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm gonna do this because I like having a lot of lasagna on the top, so I'm gonna do that.
I have the weirdest boner.
And I'm gonna break this last one. It's only gonna be a 3-layer lasagna today. There we go. Toss that there. Toss this one right there. Why not? Actually, there's a reason why. Okay, so let's get some more ricotta. Just keep focusing on that. Thank you. Some more ricotta. Yeah, whenever I make my lasagnas and I want them really, really cheesy, I use a lot of ricotta and just a lot of cheese. Like, oh my goodness. All right. What's wrong, Ciela?
Just like that.
There we go. That's a little overkill, but whatever. I'm gonna mix it because it seems to spread a little bit easier when you got sauce with it. Okay.
And I'm not being a part of that.
You never complain when I make my lasagnas.
Yeah, because it tastes amazing.
Well, then there you go. I find it easier to spread when there's sauce on there. See? It gets all the nooks and crannies. Alright, so, get there. Okay, well that's gonna be a piece I'm gonna enjoy later. There. Bring it over here. Bring it on over. You know what? Should I just use all of ricotta on this one? No? Okay, so there we go. How many more layers do you think I'm going to be able to fit? 'Cause I don't think I'm going to be able to fit anymore.
Yeah, 0.
I'm going to put the rest of ricotta in here. Why not? The top layer would be really amazing.
Why'd you ask?
I don't know. Just felt like saying it. I once used 4 ricotta cheese things on 1 lasagna. And oh my goodness, did it ever come out so good.
Which lasagna was this?
The last one I made.
Oh yeah, that was really good.
Yeah, it was really good. Okay, so that can stay there. Oh, I missed ricotta over here. There we go. There, that looks pretty good, I think. There. Alright, I'm going to throw some sauce on this. At this point, I don't need the sauce spoon. There we go. Mix all this together. And also the sauce gets baked into the lasagna too. Oh my goodness. When it comes out, it tastes so good. Alright, so I'm just gonna do this. Try to get some stuff over here. There we go. Alright, last part. You ready for it? Lots of cheese. So this one here, I'm gonna take a lot of cheese here. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. Just like so. Grab another big handful. There we go.
That is not a lot.
Not yet. This is the first round.
How many rounds?
2. So that looks like that. Now I take my second one. It's just 1 big handful for this side. There we go. And I just make sure it covers everything. Just like so. Get your fingers off there. No, seriously, get your fingers off. There we go.
My hands are clean, by the way.
Oh, good.
Yes, 1,000 times yes.
Make sure it covers everything. There we go. All right, folks. So the next part, this is gonna be the easiest lasagna you'll ever make. So from this point, I'm just gonna pause the video here, or stop the video, and you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll show you the end result later. Bye-bye.